Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Tailwind CSS has become one of the most popular CSS frameworks out there, used by countless developers in various ways. However, not everyone knows there are multiple ways to use it. To fill that gap and help developers make informed choices about which method to use for their projects, I'm here to introduce this playlist where I'll guide you through 5 most commonly used methods for installing Tailwind CSS. I might add more ways in the future based on the emerging trends. However, for now, I'll stick to these 5 methods, which are more than sufficient for most scenarios and environments. This guide is designed to be so detailed and clear that you might not even need to refer to the official documentation. By the end of this series, you will have a thorough understanding of Tailwind CSS installation using multiple methods and know which method to use for your specific project requirement. I'll be giving you a clear step-by-step explanation directly from my PC where I install Tailwind using each method and show you the output so you don't have any doubts in the process. Here are the methods we cover. Play CDN. It is the quickest and easiest setup. The second one is Tailwind CLI. It is recommended for simple and standalone projects. Then we have Post CSS. This offers greater control and customization when we integrate with various build tools like Webpack, Parcel, Rollup, etc. And the fourth one is the most popular one, using frameworks. The combination of a front-end framework like vue.js, React, etc. with a CSS framework like Tailwind has got a lot of great benefits. And the last one is standalone CLI. It is perfect for users who prefer not to use node.js at all. I have also written a detailed article that includes all the 5 methods we cover in this video series, along with detailed step-by-step guide which includes the necessary commands and code snippet we use here in these videos. If you want to follow along or want to keep that as a quick reference, the link is in the description. Continue through this playlist to explore different ways of installing Tailwind CSS. See you in the next video.